Hello, Happy New Year and welcome back to Flying Bobbins. I'm Liz and in today's video I'm going to talk you through the fabrics that I have selected for next month's video sew along in the Flying Bobbins Sew Along Club, and the project for next month is going to be the Reef Pyjamas by Megan Nielsen. So we're going to be sewing together to make these gorgeous PJs in the month of February. It's a great project to kickstart the new year with. Lots of lovely skills to learn, nice and easy and quick to make. They can be worn actually as a camisole short PJ set, but also going into the summer months, these make a great summer co-ord. And even if you just wanted to make the top half, it's a lovely little kind of summer camisole. So a really great pattern. I do like the Megan Nielsen patterns. They're really nicely put together. The styling is lovely. And I'm excited to show you all these gorgeous fabrics that I've got laid out in front of me here, which I wish I could make a pair in every fabric, and I can't wait to see which one you guys all choose and see them all made up. But anyway, let's just quickly give you a very brief recap. If this is the first time you're tuning into one of my videos, I'm Liz. Here at Flying Bobbins we have our Sew Along Club. This is a monthly club, it's £10 per month, and I feature a new pattern every month which I video myself sewing in detail and cutting out, I should say, and then I upload those videos for my club members to follow along. Now alongside this I also offer both the patterns and fabric kits for sale, including everything you need to make your project, and Sew Along Club members get 10% off these patterns and kits. Pre-orders open on the 10th of the month, so Sew Along Club members, you get your first choice of fabric before anyone else, and they will be all delivered to you in time for the Sew Along on the 1st, which launches on the 1st. You just have to look out in your inbox for your email with the link to the Sew Along. On top of this, we also do a monthly Q&A session in my VIP Sew Along Club Facebook group, where you can ask any questions that you might have about the project that we're sewing. So without further ado, let's take a quick look first of all at this pattern. So just to give you the essential information, this is the MN2401 Reef pattern by Megan Nielsen. Okay, so this pattern comes in a size 0 to 20. So just to translate that into body measurements, because of course that's what we should always be going by, that is a bust in inches of 32 up to 46 inches, or in centimetres, that is a bust measurement of 81 centimetres up to 117 centimetres. So I don't think those 0 to 20 are UK sizes, because that doesn't quite correlate to the inch measurements. So just go on your body measurements to choose your size, but like I say, it does go from a 0 to 20. Now you have a couple of views. So view A is your camisole, and this is a bias cut camisole. So we're going to be learning about bias cutting, and it has a little contrast crossover panel at the back here, a curved hem, and we're going to be doing a pin hem to finish this camisole design here. These are interfaced and bagged out. It's really beautifully finished on the inside as well as the outside. Then you have two different short patterns. I'm going to do the more complex view B, which features a contrast cuff. This also has pockets in the seam and an elasticated waistband. View C are just a very simplified pair of shorts. I'm going to go for the more fancy shorts in my video sew along so that I can cover everything that you need to know. Fabric suggestions for this, really you need to think about, if you're wearing them as pyjamas, that they need to be breathable and comfortable to wear in bed. If you're making it as day wear, summer coordinate, obviously that's not so important, but if it's summer you probably want it to be breathable anyway, so I would suggest cotton blends, linen, that sort of thing. Also viscose does have breathability, but I would probably stay clear of anything polyester for nightwear because it's going to be uncomfortable. So really stick to your natural fibres. Now bearing in mind that the camisole itself is cut on the bias and the shorts are cut on the straight grain, you also want to think about your prints. If you're going for printed fabric, make sure you go for something that can look nice on different grains as the fabric is rotated. So for example, if you went for a very obvious stripe, you're going to have the effect of a diagonal stripe on the body and a horizontal stripe on the shorts. Just think about, maybe that would make a really nice effect, but it does require some consideration there on the print. The best choice, I think, is to go for a nice all over print that will look great from all directions. So for this pattern, you need about 2.2 up to 2.7 meters of fabric at 140 centimeters wide, based on making the camisole with the fancier shorts. And as well as that, you're going to need matching thread, interfacing and elastic for the waistband. Okay, so the bit that you have been waiting for, of course, the fabrics, because everybody loves to see fabrics, don't you? Myself included. Okay, so first of all, we have 3 cotton lawns by Lady McElroy. I do love the quality of a Lady McElroy cotton lawn. Very smooth to the touch, 100% cotton, so very breathable, a close weave giving it that silky sheen. And this one is 85 grams per square metre, so nice and lightweight as well. The first one I'm going to show you is this palm. It's called Feathered Palms. So yes, Lady McElroy cotton lawn. 100% cotton, and you can just see the scale there. You can see how beautifully, when I hold this up, I'm holding it up on the corner, so you can see how that just drapes on the bias there. It's a larger scale print, but I just think that the fact that it's just those 2 different colours is just really effective and striking, and will make a beautiful pyjama using this pattern, and it can look nice from all directions, so it's kind of works well with that pattern as well. So that's the first of them, and that is called Feathered Palms. It's in, like, I would say the background colour there is like a milky neutral, like a warm ivory. It's not white, it has some warmth to the tone. And then you have tones of peach and coral to pick out those feathery palm leaves. I would say, I'm trying to think, is it a cheese? No, not a cheese plant. I'm trying to think what kind of plant has that shape leaves, but it definitely has like a subtle summery tropical feel, but not in a very kind of bright, vivid way, more in a subtle pastel way. So just lovely for the summer. So that is the Lady McElroy Feathered Palms. I should just hold that up for you to see in all its glory. I love that one. Lovely, lovely coral colour as well. Now also in the cotton lawns, we have the On the Prowl print, which is great fun. And this features some gorgeous leopards in different poses. And this one here, oops, let's just hold it up for you. If I separate the 2 layers, you can see the drape. Now, although this is a conversational print, so let's hold that up for you there, with the leopards sort of walking across the fabric, because they are walking in all different directions, they've made this print so that it can be cut out in any way. So you will have some tigers or leopards upside down, some the right way, and I think this is a great pyjama print. It's really on trend and it is really fun. And the colour here on the ground is this gorgeous terracotta, which is very flattering and fashionable at the moment. So like a really lovely print there with your gorgeous tigers. So if you're feeling a bit wild, then this is definitely the one for you. And this is also in the Lady McElroy 100% cotton lawn, 85 grams per square metre, and beautifully soft to the touch. I should add as well, very easy to sew with, obedient fabrics, not slippery and slinky and satiny, you know, although they've got that nice close weave that gives them a premium feel and quality sheen, they are very easy to sew with, so good news all round. Thirdly, we have this lovely Finch pattern. So whoops, holding that slightly askew there. Let's get that the right way around for you. So this one has these beautiful shell pink background, and then you have these little birds just dancing on their sprigs or perching on their sprigs of blossom and sort of draping, trailing blooms. So a little bit more of a direction to this print, but I have actually experimented with it, and because it kind of goes in multi-directions, let's hold this up a bit better. Because it goes in multiple directions, you can actually play with this on the bias. And this one is all washed and ready for me to make my pyjamas with. So you can see there, it's a really, really delicate print. And I'll show close up as well. Sometimes the camera just doesn't pick up on how pretty these colours are. It's really difficult to get that across, but these colours really are gorgeous. So those are my 3 Lady McElroy cotton lawns. Now I also am really excited to show you the next selection of fabrics, because this is something new in. These are actually block printed cottons. So once again, these are all 100% cotton. They are 110 grams in weight, so slightly heavier, and also with a drier hand feel. So by dry, what I mean is they're not silky and sheeny like the very close woven fine Lady McElroy cotton lawns. These are more of a typical shirting cotton in their sort of dry hand feel. They're not slippery or slinky at all, but 100% cotton, very light, very breathable, very nice and easy to wear. And just look at how gorgeous the prints are. So this one here features this burgundy background with these beautiful blooms and leaves, and this is all done by a process of block printing, giving it an artisan, original, handmade feel that gives this such a beautiful character to this fabric. So it really is delicious and delightful and gorgeous. I'm going to show you how that drapes on the bias very quickly. So if I hold that up by the corner, you can see that it just hangs really, really nicely. And you get these gorgeous tones of the kind of maroon burgundy background with the teal and the slightly more fuchsia toned pinks there. Now the really exciting thing about this block print is that it has a little friend. So because the Megan Nielsen, let's just quickly show you the pattern again. Because on this pattern here, you have these contrast back panels and contrast shorts panels. What you can do is you can marry up the hero print, the larger scale print, with the contrast. So you can create a really beautiful effect. So in the kits with these ones, and you'll see the little CADs that I've created online, these actually, you get a colour blocked or a print blocked effect, with this being your secondary print that lives on the back yoke and the short cuff, and then the burgundy print that lives on the main camisole and short panels. So I just wanted to hold this one up. So look at how gorgeous. I mean, these I will sell throughout the summer because these will just make everything lovely. They will make great summer shirts and dresses, but I just thought for these pyjamas, because they have that feature of a contrast panel, how beautiful do those two just look together. So I think that works really, really well. So if you can imagine, this is your camisole and then this is your yoke contrast panel. So you can get that lovely sort of designer look of having those contrasting panels. And I think these would work equally well for your pyjamas, but also for your summer coordinates, should you want to wear this as just a piece of summer clothing as a camisole with the contrast. Just really, really striking and original and beautiful. So once again, both of those 100% cotton and 115 grams. 135 centimetres wide, but I do include a little extra fabric for you. So just love those. And then so that's the first choice in the block prints. I've actually got 2 block prints to show you. So that's the teal, I suppose teal and burgundy with the floral and the block. And then the other one, because we all love a lemon, don't we? So the other one is the lemons. And again, I don't think my camera is just quite picking up on how beautiful the colours are on this print. So once again, it's 100% cotton, absolutely gorgeous. and drapes, you can see there on the bias really beautifully, as well as on the straight grain. But how nice would a pair of lovely lemony pyjamas be for the summertime? I mean, I know it's actually, we've got a snow outside, but I'm feeling like I can taste a mojito and I'm looking forward to the summer. So yeah, and then this one has the sister print in this gorgeous ochre, which tones back in with that print. So you get the little contrasts in the ochre there with those two. So I just think that all of these prints are going to work so well together. So you have your sort of more traditional pyjama-y prints in the Lady McElroy cotton lawn, if you wanted something like that. And then you have the brand new out block prints as well if you wanted to make a more summer pair of pyjamas. And originally actually I was going to save these fabrics back for later on in the season, but I just thought these are going to work so well with those Megan Nielsen Reef pyjamas that I thought, no, there's some things just can't be put on hold. Life is too short and the summer will be here before we know it. So I'm going to put those kits on right now, as well as the gorgeous cotton lawn pyjama prints too. So those kits will all go on sale on the 10th of January, which is this coming Saturday. And you can place your orders. Karen and I will be cutting them all out for you next week, getting them sent out ready for the video sew along, which will launch on the 1st of February. And of course, if you just want to buy the pattern, that will also be available by itself. You can use fabric from your stash, try busting through some of that stash in the new year. There's lots of things, lots of fabrics that I think would work beautifully for this, including if you had some plain fabric as well, you know, and I don't think they're going to take too long to sew up actually. So it might be one of those things that you could even make as a gift for somebody if somebody has a special birthday coming up. Also, if you just wanted to make the camisole alone, I think that the camisole fabric is just 1.1 to 1.3 meters of fabric. So if you've got that sort of remnant in your stash that you're wondering what to do with, this will just make a great little top that you can then wear out in the summer and use up some of those scraps in your stash. One last thing, if you do fancy making some pyjamas next month, but you'd prefer a longer pyjama, then I shall also be featuring the Carolyn Pyjamas by Closet Core Patterns. This was a sew along that I did in the Sew Along Club way back at the very beginning, probably about 3 years ago now. And yeah, so I have all of the videos. It's a really long video with loads of techniques, a real kind of skill building project. So you could even make one of each. You could make your Carolyn pyjamas in one of the cotton lawns, and then your Reef pyjamas in the block prints. If you just can't decide, you can have both. So this will also be featuring, so if you're lucky enough to be in the Sew Along Club, then you are going to get double bubble in the month of February with 2 full video sew-alongs to follow and choose from, plus a selection of exclusive Sew Along Club Carolyn pyjama kits with 10% off. So it's all good news here. Lots for you to think about, and can't wait to see what you choose. So that brings me to the end of today's fabric show and tell. I was really looking forward to sharing these gorgeous fabrics with you. I can't wait to see what you think. If you want any more information about joining the Sew Along Club, then I will pop a link in the comments below. Let me know what you think, and happy shopping. And I can't wait to see all these gorgeous pyjamas made up. I'll see you soon. I'm off to get sewing.